Hello students, this is Shantanu sir and this is our third class of complex number. In this class we have to learn how to find the modulus and argument. So if you attend my previous class, then you can find modulus of a complex number easily. So it is most important to find the argument or amplitude of any complex number. How to find easily? You can find the argument or amplitude easily if you remember four condition. Condition number 1. Think that there is a given complex number is x plus iy. So here is real value x and imaginary value y. So find the acute angle at first, and we know we have to find acute angle using the formula tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to always imaginary z by real z. So just now check. Determine the quadrant in which the point, take a point x, y lies. First condition is if point x, y belongs to the first coordinate. If point x and y belongs to the first coordinate, then the argument z will be only alpha. Now second condition, if the point x comma y belongs to second coordinate, then the argument is pi minus alpha. Now try another. If point x comma y is lie in third coordinate, then the argument will be pi plus alpha. And at last, and this is the last condition, if the point x, y lie in fourth coordinate, then argument of z will be only minus alpha. So you have to remember this four condition to solve the argument or any amplitude problem easily. Now try to solve a problem. Write a problem 1 plus root 3 I. So here real value is 1 and imaginary value is root 3. So tan alpha is equal to, we know the formula of tan alpha is equal to imaginary z by real z. And imaginary z means root 3 and real z means only 1. So root 3 by 1 means root 3 and it's tan pi by 3. So tan alpha is equal to tan pi by 3. Now alpha is equal to only pi by 3. Here is the question. Now check the coordinate of the complex number. Here is the point 1 and root 3. All are positive. So all are positive means it lies only first coordinate. Okay. So here is the condition of first. If the point xy lies in first coordinate, then argument z is equal to only alpha. So here our answer, argument z only pi by 3. And now we have to find the modulus, and you know how to find the modulus. Mod z is equal to only 1 square plus root 3 square, and that's mean root 4 and it's 2. So modulus of z is 2. So our answer is 2 and pi by 3. Is it clear to everyone? Now try to solve another question. Now try to solve another question. Find the modulus and amplitude of 1 by 1 plus I. But at first you have to write the complex number in a plus ib form. So writing a plus ib form, you have to multiply numerator also denominator by 1 minus I. So here also 1 minus I, and here 1 plus I into 1 minus I. Now 1 minus I here, and this is a formula of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square, a square means 1 minus b square means I square also 1 minus 1. So here is 1 plus 1, that's mean 1 by 2 minus I into 1 by 2. So our real value is half and imaginary value is minus 1 by half, and this is the form of a plus ib form. Now write the formula of tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to imaginary part, so minus half, and plus half, so it's minus 1. Minus 1 means minus tan pi by 4. Now check the coordinate of this point. Half and minus half. It's mean it's lies which coordinate? Half minus half. Half minus half. Which coordinate? It lies. It lies in the fourth coordinate. So it lies in fourth coordinate. And what is the condition of fourth coordinate? And here is the condition of fourth coordinate. You have to write minus alpha. So write here only minus alpha. So tan pi by 4 is equal to tan minus pi by 4. So alpha is equal to minus pi by 4. This is our answer, and this is argument of z. Now find modulus z, and modulus z is equal to root over half square plus half square. That's mean 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That's mean 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means again it's 1 by 2. So our answer is 1 by root 2. It's clear to everyone? Now you can solve all the problem of modulus and argument. Okay. Now it's a time for homework. So your homework is only minus root 3 minus I, and which coordinate is just lies this point? This point lies in third coordinate. So you have to write pi plus alpha. Okay. And question number 2, any 1 plus I by 1 minus I. Just find the modulus and amplitude or argument of this two complex number. Okay. Now comment your answer. Thank you. Bye.